All right. We've got some music going. I think my audio might be a little too loud right now. Testing 1, 2, testing. Um, hmm. Hello, 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 hello. Test. Okay, okay. Okay. This sounds good, but it still just sounds a little too loud. How about there? Is that better? That sounds better. Okay. Let's bring it up a little bit more. Right. It's time to write some code. What do we got here? We got some snow-capped mountains. Let's see what we're working on first. Server scaling. Oh, what is this? Oh yeah, I've been having issues with serving JavaScript files that don't exist, right? So I created this code here a while ago, back when I was using like .NET Core 3.1, I think. And it checks to see if status code is 404, and if the path is in /content, then it checks to see if it's a JavaScript file, then it'll just, respond with an empty JavaScript file. And if it's a CSS file, it'll just respond with an empty CSS file. Because those are the only two files that I'll be requesting that may or may not exist. So if they don't exist, do this. But I've been having issues with them. So server scaling is something I'm trying to do. And domain collections. So let's just double check our domain collections. Alright, so what I want to do is I want to be able to create, I want to be able to create a new collection at this point. So let's create new collections. Alright, for domains, we'll have our collections. Let's see. I'm just doing a little cleanup. Here's our service. So collections, we want to render collections. We want to add collection. We also want to be able to generate a collection. So what does it take to generate a collection? Let's see. That's weird. So when I click new collection here, I want to be able to display a form to create a new collection. And so I'm just gonna do a row, new collection. And then this row I'm gonna call button collection. Button new collection. So when you click button new collection here, let's do it on the LI. Add dot show. Actually, show does something. Render collections. Oh, collections dot add dot show. There it is. Let me see. New collection is what we'll show. So, button, new collection, dot hide. And we'll add dot show there. This will be a just new collection, new dash collection dot show, and we'll add that here with a hide. A submit will do an s.ajax.post to collector domains / add collection. We're going to use data, and then our response will be nothing. Actually, it will be something. It'll be s.domains.collections.show, which will load that's what we'll do. We'll set our container.html to nothing. You know, I'll use force here. So if force equals true, then container.html is nothing. All right, we're gonna add a collection. What is our data? Well, our data has to be the collection group ID. Okay. So in our new collection, we'll do This will be a row hover, and then inside of there we'll have a column for a field, and we'll call that name. We'll do another column for our input. Oops. And that'll be an input of type text. The ID will be collection name. And yeah. Next, we'll do collection category. Category, and this will be a drop down. Call group ID. There we go. What else? Actually, I'm gonna make it to where it'll populate this when you click on new collection. If it's not already populated. No, I'll make it populate every time. Because why not? Alright, so we have name, category. But at the same time, I want to be able to add a category. So, how are we going to do that? Let's add another column. Column input, column text. And then from here, we'll add an icon. And we'll call this column add category. Oh, excuse me. And I think I'll use icon SM, or is it icon small? Let's find out. Alright, so we have to generate our JavaScript file again. So if I click, okay. I see what's going on here. Why is there a hover for that? That's weird. Okay, so then this will have the class for button new collection. In fact, we're not even going to do that. No, we're going to add this on click and the title to here. Then we're going to take all this And we're gonna do this. There. I think that'll look just fine. Or not. I have an idea. Yes. Alright, so... there we go. And we'll add our class here. We don't need the row hover anymore. But this we'll take out. And we'll put it right up here. And use style display equals none. What the hell? Is it because I need my row hover? Does it even hover? No, it doesn't hover, so what the hell? And that's how you make code changes with a keyboard and no mouse. Alright, now when I click this, I think I know what's happening. Okay, domains.js. Ignore that. Alright. Jackpot. Yeah. We're gonna do that. Hide. E. If E target equals E dot target. If target dot parents what is it? What? Domains dash collections. So then return. There. That should do the thing we're trying to do, which is we're just trying to prevent the menu from hiding if we click on the inside of the menu. So if I click, yeah, see, it doesn't do anything. But if I click outside, it also does nothing. Oh, dot length is greater than 0. That's what I forgot. Come on. Why is it taking forever? What the fuck? Let's go. Hurry up. What the hell's going on here? I'm just gonna restart the... Like, what? Yeah, see how fast that was? Click. Alright, so see, it doesn't hide when I click here, but when I click here, it does hide. Why isn't it showing the thing that I want it to show, though? Because it should s.domains.collections.add.show and collections.add. Oh, I see what happened. I put it under group when it should have been under collections. there. And now refresh. We refresh. Boom, there it is. All right. It needs a title. Ooh. Jeez. How about I just do pad and whatever. Let's let's do some pad on our right here. See what happens. Nothing. Don't know why. Just don't know why. Oh, because it just ignores my padding. Well then, what if I just do this? Pad right. Oh look, it does the thing that I want it to do. Except this little plus thing is down here when it should be... Oh, yeah, it's in the right spot. It should just be lower. Let's put a title there too. Create a new category to place your domain collection into. Create a new category to place your domain collection inside of, whatever. To create a new category use, oh my god. Whatever. New collection. And then what is it called? Add category. And what are we doing? We're bringing it down. So, let's do 7 pixels. In fact, let's just do padding. We just gotta render our less gulp task for vendors, and let's see what this looks like. Oh, really? What, 13 and 5? $15 and 5. All right, let's do 15. And we'll also add a selection here. A selection option. it'll be 0, and this will be no category. Oh my god. Let's rerun our gulp task and check our CSS. Looks good. When I hover over that, it should probably click. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Let me think. And let's add pad to this row, which means we'll probably have to, yeah, see, it's getting pushed all the way down. So if I look at the CSS for this and I just turn off all of that, it looks fine. Okay, so we don't even need any of this. Let's see. If you have a row hover inside of a row hover, I think it should be a darker color. And the way to do that is to go to our theme and then look for our row. There's our row. And then we'll just add a row hover. Right? Row dot hover, and we'll just add that into it. So if I hover, it'll be slightly darker. That looks better. I think that's just text color. I don't know. I really don't care. Let's see what happens. Oh, I forgot I gotta save the website.less because see, our theme is inside website.less, so I gotta save our website.less. Then I can test our theory. No, Control F5. Is it gonna load? Is it actually gonna load? No? Why is this happening? There's no reason for this to happen. When I press, look, when I refresh the application completely, right? Okay, it's refreshed. See that? It's refreshed. And then I press refresh. It takes literally a split second. And when I press F5 again, loads just fine. It just decides when it wants to load and when it doesn't. I just don't get it. Okay, so this hover is not working. So let's hover on this one. And then hover on the next one. I don't see. And then let's apply a hover to that one too. What? We don't have it? Hold on. Row.hover. Oh my god, that's not a V, that's a W. There, we save that, and then we save our website.less, and then we press escape, and we come here, we click on things, and then boom, there it is. See, that's what I want to see. I want it to get darker when there's a row hover inside of a row hover. Boop. That looks clean. Okay, so we can create new categories. Well, we can't yet. We have to be able to show the form for creating a new category, which means we need to add a new form right up here next to our other form. So we're going to call this new category. New category. Collection category. And then we'll give it a name. Cat name, and that's it. That's all we need is a name. Oops. And we'll have a column floating right with our button. Let's just do a submit type. Call this create category, and we'll just add this to a form where on submit equals s.domains dot group dot add dot submit. Yeah, and then return false. All right. I think I need to do the same thing for this one here. Oops. There we go. Create collection. Boom. So we have a form here for collections.add.submit. And group.add.submit. So if I click on this button, add category, this should do domains.group.add.show. What will that do? Well, that will hide our new collection. What? This doesn't make any sense. What, did you see that? I pasted and it just deleted everything. Then I press undo and it shows what I pasted. New category. I think it's called new category, right? New category, yeah. All right. Let's hide that. And let's show this. We have to switch it out. Alright, and then submit will do one of these, except it's going to add a category. And our data here is going to be a little complicated. It's going to be... What is our data going to be? Add collection, add category, pressed F or Control S. So we have collections, and then we have groups. And then, what's our store procedure going to be called, I wonder? Domain collection group. Hold on. Let's look at our schema, our database schema. So what do we have? We have domain collections, and domain collection groups. What do our collection groups look like? Yeah, so it's a collection group. So collection groups. Domain collection group add. Let's just copy and paste our collections folder here in our store procedures. And just rename everything to collection groups. Ooh. Man, Microsoft, you really got to get on top of your game, because this is some bullshit just sitting here waiting for a folder to be renamed. Like, what the hell are you doing to my computer? That takes 10 seconds to process. Collection group add. Wait, what? It couldn't be named? The new name conflicts with an existing... What? Oh, I already have collection group stuff in there. Okay, that makes sense. I'll just delete the unused files, which is going to take literally 10 seconds to delete. Literally. More than 10 seconds. Oh my god. Took a whole second just for that thing to pop up. Yeah, we don't need that. And we don't need that. But we can use that. Collection group. Remove. Add and remove. That's all we need is add and remove. There. We don't need groups in here. Hold on. There. Looks good to me. Collection groups dot add name. Success. Render collections. It doesn't render any collections, so we're not there yet. So first we need to be able to add categories, right? So once a category is added, then that's not right. It's not going to do that. It's going to do s.domains.collections.add.show. This will also hide our category. Okay, and our data will be nothing because we're not going to use it. Instead, we're going to use name inside of a inline object. This will take on, what is it? cat underscore name dot value. Cat name dot value. Why? Because we have our new category here with cat name. What? Oh my god. It's like standing on landmines. Where is it? There it is. There. Okay. It's almost 8 o'clock. Let's see. What do we got? We got collections, we got groups. Hide and show. What we need here is, let's see. Also, here we need to load our category groups. So we do need a stored procedure for that. Jesus, I can't even edit the file name when I'm running. It's so stupid, dude. It's so stupid. Thanks, Microsoft. I can't rename a file when I'm running the application. That would be bad. We need Microsoft to hold our hands. And we need Microsoft to take 10 seconds to execute anything inside of Visual Studio. Jesus. Oh. Alright, we have get list. Now we need our model for our domain collection group. New class. Jesus Christ, why did it take so long to create that? Query.models is our namespace, and collection group is going to be call group ID and name. Thanks, Microsoft, for suggesting such wonderful things. That was not sarcastic. That was sincere, because I do like their IntelliSense. All right, let's think about this for a second. We need to be able to get the list. What is this, our service? All right, so for collections, render collections, how about, okay, those are for collections. And we'll call this group add group. And we're going to create a new region. Collection groups. There we go. And we'll create a public string. Get render group list. Or render groups. Query dot domains dot collection groups dot get list. What? Oh, I forgot to add the list of models dot collection group. No, populate models dot collection group. There we go. That's what I want to see. Let's see here. And then for each group in groups, let's var HTML equals new string builder, and then HTML.append option value. Group.id. Group.name, and then slash option slash n. Does that even matter? The slash n? No, so who cares? Then let's return HTML.to, come on, dot toString. So our rendering groups, s.ajax.post, let's see, collection, collector domains slash render groups. Here's our response. And then let's see, what do we have here? We have a list. Call group ID dot HTML is response. There we go. But at the same time, we need to add a 0 here and a no category there. So we can add, we can hide, we can submit, we can add a category, we can show our add form. All right, let's see if we can add a category. This is actually add group. All right, let's render our JavaScript, reload the page. What? Oh, I gotta press play. I forgot about the pressing of the play. Oh, we watched for 6 minutes. Invalid object name, domain collection groups. Oh, did I not create it? Maybe I just didn't create it. What's the object name? Did I forget to press? Oh my god, I pressed stop. Alright, let's see here. Yeah. What? Invalid object name, domain collection groups. Domain collection groups. It's not domain underscore collection groups, it's domain collection groups. There. Let's try again. Zero groups. So, alright. It's just going to give me nothing. No, it gives me the new category. Alright. New category. No category. I can press plus and then... Hold on. Let's add some padding to our button area because you can see it doesn't look too good. That looks way better. But let's do pad right and pad top. Instead. Much cleaner. Okay. So let's create a new category, collection category. Let's call this science journals. All right, what's our name here? Good, good, good. Come on, come on. Anything? No? Oh, what? Nice, it worked. We got science journals, okay. And then we actually need another row here. And this needs to have some padding too. This row is going to have a paragraph. And in the paragraph, it's going to say, save current search domain, save current domain search filter as a collection. Maybe this doesn't need padding. Or maybe it needs pad left and pad right. That looks better. Save current domain search filters as a collection. Parameters as a collection. What the hell? Swear to God, HTTP 2 is bullshit. Either that or Microsoft needs to fix their shit, because that's weird that would even happen. Okay, we need a cancel button. Alright, these cancel buttons need to have the cancel class. And I think I have a hide function for each, yep. And we should also hide our new category. No, we don't need to. Yeah, everything looks good. New collection, ooh, cancel. New collection, new category, can't. What? Return false, maybe? If name equals empty, then return error. There. Yeah, those need to be, hold on. Oh my god, are you kidding me? Let's make that an A button. There. And the A button looks different, of course. I don't know why, but what the hell, man? Box button, comma, box, dot button. Well, what's the difference between that button and this button? Font size is the same. Let's see. What's the line height, I wonder? Let's look at our compiled. What? Hold on. Seven 14 14 6. 7 14 14 6. Font size, it's the same. It's exactly the same. What about height? Height is 28. What about this height? Height is 30. Font size is 15. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm just gonna say button 30. I'm gonna do it here. Right here. Button, comma, dot button, height 30 pixels. There you go. But look at... What the hell, man? The text is off. Why is the text off? Six 14, 7 14. What about this one? 6 14, 7 14 for the padding. Font size is the same. Line height is 1 for that one. What about this? Is line height 1? Let's try it. Line height 1. Oh, okay. So the button line height is different. Let's do, I don't know, what is it? 1.5? 2.5? All right, let's change the line height for this one. Line height 1.25. Hey, they look the same now. Wow. Then let's change our line height. Beautiful. All right, now for our button, we need pad right. And everything should look great. Yes. Oh, god damn it. I guess not. Is it gonna save this? Button, comma button. Line height 1.25. What the hell, man? Where's my line height? What? This needs to be important. What is modifying my line height? Okay. Oh, it's that one. Alright. Huh. Importante. Alright. Okay. Group.add.hide. Okay. Collections.add.hide. Yeah. There we go. Oh, I gotta copy that. I'm gonna change the music to some music from my brother from another mother. Sorry. There we go. All right, let's see if we can add a new category. Cancel. Yep. Cancel our new collection. Yep. And finally, the final thing that we need to test is adding a collection and loading our collections. I've been going for an hour. I'm gonna go stretch for a little bit and then I'll finish up this collection feature. And after we finish our collections, I have to do more work towards getting Collector to work on Docker. Well, getting Collector and what is it, Charlotte? Yeah, I gotta get Charlotte to work in Docker, and then once those two things work in Docker and I build, there's a new website I'm developing. It's just a routing application. Basically, any requests that it gets from an API call, it'll basically make a request to an instance of Charlotte to get a JSON object from Charlotte after loading a web page and rendering it and then generating the JSON from the HTML structure. So this website is a routing application that allows me to have one endpoint for requesting JSON from a web page. So I pass a URL and I expect a JSON object in return. And then, so this website API has one endpoint, but will manage a whole network of instances of Charlotte. So, and then I'm gonna run that network across various computers, and I'll have like, I don't know, 10, 20 instances of Charlotte running in Docker containers across various pieces of hardware. And then I'll have one computer with 20 tabs open, right? 20 tabs of the download page open. And I'll just click download from feeds and it'll basically just utilize the whole infrastructure so that I can download hundreds of thousands of web pages per day. But I need to be able to download millions of web pages per day. But for now, it's mostly experimental, right? I'm only one person. I can only handle so much content or so much information, and I'll be collecting hundreds of thousands of pages from the internet per day. I can't, you know, I can't curate all that content, but what I can do is curate one domain at a time. And that's what I plan on doing, is finding as many domains as I can, right? I have 33,000 domains right now. And here are the last domains that I updated, and you can see they have titles and descriptions. So I'm downloading a lot of different lifehacker.com. I'm downloading a bunch of websites to analyze, and then I'm gonna just go through this list of domains, find the best domains that I want to start procuring content from, and go through the process of massaging the content from those websites so that I can read the content on those websites without any issues. Anyway, I'm almost there. I'm gonna take a little break. We're gonna work on our collections here. Oh hell no! What? Why? Why? I don't understand why. I mean, it's doing it. It's just. It's loading the content. It's just not showing it. Hold on. I know why it's doing this. So I'll just remove domains-paging and domains. Yeah, see, it's just replacing the content, but no. We're going to append. After we remove we're going to remove .domains-paging and .domains.accordion. Yeah, we're going to remove both of those. And then reload the page, because see, it was overriding my drop down here. So I just watch when I click last updated here, I want it to still show my drop down. There we go. Fix it. Anyway, I'll be back. Give me a second to stretch. All right. Yeah, we got good music going on. Once I select sorry guys, you can't see what I'm doing because it's on a private screen, but that's what I've been looking at. Right? So let's add a group. Well, we can already add a group, so let's we can't, there's no way to delete groups, but I think we'll delete groups in a different way from rendering collections. So let's see if we can render any collections. And then at the same time, let's do this. And this isn't even right. Like, I don't want a list of domain collection. No, I want a let's see, domain collections. And categories. There. Whatever. So, collection group. And there we go. Why did I close that? I have no idea. Alright, so and that's the wrong kind of code. What we're gonna do is we're gonna use using for a connection, and we're gonna choose our store procedure for this connection. Collections get list. Reader equals com dot execute populate multiple. There it is. So then collections equals reader dot read what is it going to be? Models dot domain collection. And then var groups equals reader dot read. And then return new. Yes. Where collections equal collections and groups equals groups. Oh, I have to do .toList for both of these. There. And there it is. It's really that simple. Do I have any errors? Oh, I have to press stop. So basically what that's doing is it's getting two result sets and combining them into a third model that combines the two other models. And for SQL, we'll go into our domain collections get list. Right. And we're not going to left join. And we're not going to include group name. Instead, we're going to select star from domain collections, order by, well, yeah. Name ascending. Honestly, I don't think it matters. The collections matter. Okay, let's see. Yeah, we'll just execute this on our database. Looks good. Yeah. Give me a second here. So, yeah, getting our collections are going to be a little complicated. And then for each, our collection in collections dot collections, right? Oh, no, that's not right. See, we're going to do item dot clear first. Then we're going to do item. Where is our item? There it is. Search equals collection dot search. Let's just copy that to subject ID, type, sort, and title. And that'll be a toString because it's an int. Type will equal what? Let's get int of collection.type then dot toString of our int. And the same with sort. There we go. And then title. Right. But first, we also need to create our group HTML. So, current group ID equals 0. And let's see here. If current group ID is not equal to collection dot call group ID, then new group. And let's see, let me think about this. Yeah, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna add another HTML. Item HTML. And our item HTML will append item.render. And so if we find a new group, then we will HTML.append a accordion. How are we doing accordions again? Hold on. There it is. Components.accordion.render. Huh. Anyway, new group. Alright. There. This will be the last group. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna get our group, our old group, just group, collections dot groups dot where, what? Uh-oh. Come on, link. We need some link. Boom. So if group is not null, then I have an idea actually. We do need to order by group, so let's do give me a second here, I'm thinking about it. Yeah, let's join, or no, left join. Left join domain collection groups. then we'll order by g dot name ascending, and then c dot name ascending. Yeah. Look at that. I can't even like save an SQL file if the app's running. Okay. Let's see. Oh, that's why. No, it's because other reasons. So what am I rendering? Oh yeah, the title. So group dot name. Class names, don't care. Content, let's see. Ooh, that's going to be a complicated one. Oh, actually, no, it's going to be item HTML dot toString. Then we set item HTML equals a new string builder. And then at the very end, we're going to add one more group, which is don't know. Actually, so there is no group. Is this missing another parenthesis? HTML.append, a new accordion, cleaning the slate. We don't even need to do that down here. And then view.render. What's view.render? Collections list. So view list equals HTML.toString. There we go. No group. You know, we're just gonna leave it empty. There. I think this will do just fine. And let's see if we can add our collection now. I want this to work, and I want it to be done with it. Now, after we can add and view collections within groups, we're going to have to be able to delete groups and delete collections. So it isn't one thing, it's another. It's keeping us, oh my God. Hold on. Why is it an accordion? Wait, why am I even using accordions? We're already inside of a UL, so let's just add ULs and LIs. So instead of an accordion, let's just do this. Give me a second here. Collection item. What does a collection item look like? Yeah, it has an LI. How about collection group? Yeah, there we go. Oh. And this would be, wait. Group view dot clear. Where's my group view? Alright, here's our collection group. This should probably be an LI with a span and our name. Then inside of it, a UL with a class of, I don't know, group. And then list. Alright, so group view. Group view name is going to equal group2.name. And then group view.list is going to equal item HTML. And then HTML.append, group view.render. Beautiful. Let's do that here. And then let's add it there. Copy that here. So this will be no group. And then the last thing I need to do is change current group ID to collection dot call group ID. And all of that looks good. And then in our JavaScript, after we add, okay, how are we adding? Call group ID, so call group ID will have to equal dot value. Name will equal, let's find it. What else? Search will equal it's going to be in our search domain HTML component here. So let's see here. Search is search.value. Subject ID. Give me a second here. Where is our subject ID? So select selected subject ID. All right, so that'll be s.domains.search.boom selected subject ID. And then we have type and sort. So type is going to be domain type here. And sort is going to be our sort. Oh my god. Okay. Cool. Will that work? Let's find out. Oh, I gotta press play. Man, it's taking forever. Alright, so collections. What? Oh, I know what's happening. There. That should fix that. Nope. Let's try again. Why is it doing this? Oh man. What is that? Well, why is it even adding? What? Hold on. There's a collection. Name is empty. Call ID is 1. How is that even possible? Hold on. there should not be any collections in the database. If there is, we're about to find out. Huh. Okay, now we have no domains, which is what I want to see. There we go. So new collection. All right. What do we do? Okay. Well, we need to display that error, don't we? So let's add a little div messages. And I think we can set this to hide too. And if we add a collection, it gives us an error. Then we want to do what? S dot. Let's find out. Message dot show. And it'll be new collection dot messages. There we go. And then what's the next thing? Element type and message. So this will be an error. And then the message will be error dot status. No. Message text? I forget what it is. Response text? I think it's response text. Boom. Let's see if that works. Nothing? No? Well, it gave me a 500, so... Let's just do console.log error. Yeah, response text. So hold on, let me just see here. So I guess Yeah, okay. I guess I just can't hide it. And I'll put it right there. New collection, create collection. Okay, collection name is required. Isn't that nice? Okay, so let's add this .ai to a collection called AI domains, or just AI. Let's put it in our science journals category. No, yeah. Or let's create a new category called technology or computers, computer science. Or how about software development? There. Boom. Artificial intelligence. Look, it uses the things that I want it to use. .ai 005 artificial intelligence, but there's no title for the group. Let me see here. Group.name. There's our group view. Okay, span name. Hold on. Okay. Where's my UL? Oh, I see what's going on here. Group view. Wait a minute. Did it not save it to a group? Let me just double check here. Okay. Call group ID is 2, so let's do select star from domain collection groups. Yes, software development is 2. Alright, so then let's check our code here real quick. Let's do a break here and there. Alright, so it didn't find a new group while we were looping through our collections, which we only have one item in our collections, which is Alright, so let's see what group 2 is. Hold on one second. Oh, okay. I see what's going on. We also have to set current group ID equals collection. There we go. We gotta do that for every single one. Let's do this. Let's start over. There. What's our group? Okay, we found our group. Yep, artificial intelligence. Group 2.name, artificial intelligence, item HTML is also artificial intelligence. What? Hold on. I thought for sure our group name was software development. What? Hold on. Collection.groups. What? 2 is artificial intelligence? How is that even possible? Look, 2 is not artificial intelligence, it's software development. What is going on here? How can collection.groups... Oh my god. Alright. Fine. You wanna play like that? You wanna play dirty? Oh, domain collection groups. Oops. Whatever. Let's try again. Which is cool. We can try all we want and it'll just execute our code. All right, let's see what this looks like. That's right. Do the thing I say to do. Alright, this looks good. That's what I want to see. Software development and artificial intelligence. Now all I have to do is style this nonsense. Give me a second, guys. I'm looking at the HTML for this. I've decided I'm not going to use ULs and LIs for this. It doesn't need it. So I'm just going to get rid of all that nonsense. We're just going to have a div. There. Beautiful. And then for our collection group, we'll have a div with row, just row. We don't need no hover. And then, oops, we'll have another div row. This will actually be our title. And then we'll have a div of class group. And let's just double check our CSS. What was that? An li? The padding? Let's see here. Where is this? Okay, our drop menu. And if there's no UL or LI, then it would be drop menu and then just div. I guess it would be like this. There we go. Looks good to me. Let's bring that up to date. All right. Ooh, why does it look like that? Hold on. What? That's so weird. Group title, and then group. What else? The padding. Is the padding correct? It looks that way, but why? Alright, let's see if this will work. Actually, I have to run that. That. Ooh. Oh my god. That should not be an li, that should be a div. class equals row hover. Huh. Why is this? What? Oh, that should probably be 10 and 10. Yeah, that looks good. So padding should be 10. And row group title. This should probably be 5 pixels and 5 pixels. Actually, probably more like 10 and 10. Huh. How about 20? Yeah, 20 looks better. Sorry about that. I was changing the padding for my group title. It's off on a private screen, not being streamed. And then we gotta fix that. So let's just run our less compiler and then refresh the page. Okay, it looks the way we want, but this looks like jack crack. So maybe if we do .group and .row. Yeah. Let's just do that. We'll reuse the same selector. All right, let's compile our less and refresh the page. Okay, here we go to SVG in the images folder. We upload a new copy from our vendor plugin that we just generated in that command line tool. And then we press escape. We go into our collection group HTML here, and we add an image right here. So we'll do div class equal call pad right. We'll just paste that right in there and call this icon folder. Let's make the width, I don't know, 16 by 16. There we go. Refresh. There it is. But I want it to be black. So group title. And use. Fill will be 444. Opacity, I want it to be 0.5. At least the opacity worked, but fill is garbage because reasons. Let's try color. No color. Okay, now it works. Let me just look at my theme real quick. Yeah, there we go. And there it is. So we want icons to be 444. Like that, all the way across. So when I look at these icons, yeah, I want to be black like that. Let's see here. And all the other icons. Interesting. Oh, I know why. I have to save my website.less, which uses the theme. Yeah, there we go. Now this is black. That's black, and these are black. What if I go to articles here? Add article. Okay. What if I click on that? That's black. That's black. That's black. Everything looks great. Ooh, all black X's instead of green. How about domains? I know I use icons somewhere. No? Okay, whatever. I don't really use icons, so it's nice to have. Ooh. Alright, so we cannot have our white space have a wrap, so we're gonna do no wrap for that. Compile our less and refresh the page. That looks better, and now I know why it's doing the thing it's doing, because our width is very small. So let's do width auto and see what happens. Alright, let's see if we can change our width here. Anything about width? Anywhere? This just doesn't make any sense why it would do this. What is going on? Okay, width is 100%. Then why? What if I do this? Box sizing is border box. Does that help at all? How about content? No? Content box? Okay. Huh. And now it's just pushing it out while keeping... Width is auto? Why? Why is width auto? I mean, why that when width is auto, this thing bleeds out? I don't understand this. Position absolute. Okay, whatever. That means nothing. Why is this like that? Why can't it just stretch the whole thing out? What the fuck? Web browsers are bullshit, man. What? Look at this. It's just bleeding out onto the page from my drop menu. Or does my H6 have a maximum width or something? No, because you can clearly see my H6 is bleeding out too. So what the hell is causing this to happen? Like, this is really weird. There's nothing that's forcing the width to be 208.05. Nothing. What if I do like min width is 200 pixels? Look. See? This is weird. Yeah, I'm just gonna do 240 is the minimum. I don't care. But then that breaks the immersion. Like, that breaks this button, right? If there's nothing but this button, that would be really weird to have all this extra space there. So there's no reason why this should be behaving this way. Here, how about this? What if I turn this into a row? No? Alright, I know what I'm gonna do now then. I'm gonna make group title interesting. Okay, I can just add a margin right. Okay, to group title. And that'll fix it. Whatever. Alright, let's check it out now. Beautiful. We have software development with a folder. Artificial intelligence is a collection. Do you think new collection should be on the... Oh, actually, you know what? New collection should probably... have padding right. There we go. Yeah, pad right is much better. Where is it? There it is. And it looks lovely. We have we need an arrow on the right side. Or maybe not. In fact, I think our row here, item, should probably have a padding or a margin. Hold on. Yeah. Padding left 50 pixels. Let's see what happens. Nothing. Whatever. Importante. There we go. It should probably be 40. Yeah, 40 is good. Importante. What? There we go. Come on. I thought I freaking saved it. Save. Click. Double click. Control F5. Click. Boom. There it is. That looks good. I like that. So we have collections, and I want to make these collections collapsible. So by default, I'm gonna make the group hidden until we have a group that's visible. So div class equals group row. And once we set that group row to like expanded, then it does things, right? So so dot group is display none, but dot group row dot expanded dot group display block. Ooh. And then what I do here is for our group title, we just do an on click. Let's add a hover for that. Let's see, s.domains dot collections dot groups dot toggle event. No, I think it's just group dot toggle. Yeah. So let's get our target from the event. And so we're looking for group row. Oh. Dot parents. Dot first. Target dot has class. Expanded. Or no, let's do toggle class. Pretty sure there's a toggle class. All right, let's bring out or render our CSS and copy our JS, and then oh, what the hell? What? What? I mean, okay, but why? White space. No wrap. Yeah, that's what we need, is the no wrap. There. Alright, render our CSS again. Refresh the page and... oh! Where's our cursor? We need our cursor. Let's play a different album. How about this one? Submerged 3. Made by my good friend Blind. It's on the cover of this album is a shark underwater. Give me a second here. Alright, so if I click on this, nothing happens. Alright, let's see what we need to do to make this happen and to see why it errored. Custom results is not a function. I guess it's the same as this, but it's custom results. And search, subject ID, type, sort. So search, subject ID, type, and sort. I'm gonna just add domain to both of these because I have HTML elements that also have the name, type, and sort. And then search, actually domain search, we're gonna call that domain search. Start is 1, length is 200. Okay, looks good to me. Let's render this JavaScript here. Compile it, I mean. Reload the page, click on our artificial intelligence, and boom, look at all these AIs. Oh, but it needs to populate. Okay, so here we go. Subject ID is going to be a little difficult. We're going to have to actually load the subject based on subject ID. And then what else? Our type and sort we can do. So domain. Oh my god, domain type. Okay, you know what? Let's just do type here. Because domain type is our HTML element. And then sort dot value equals domain sort. And then search dot value equals domain search. That looks good. Let's go into our artificial intelligence, and there it is. It loaded .ai, sorted by last updated, all domains, no subject though. So I'm gonna have to test that next. So our collections are working. I'd say it's 99% complete. That extra 1% is getting like saving a collection that uses a subject ID, and then loading, when we load the collection, it loads the subject correctly into this form. So that's going to take a little bit of time to do, but first, it's been 2 hours 45 minutes, so I'm gonna take another break before I do more work. It's funny though that YouTube doesn't want anyone to watch. You get one person per stream. You'd think that YouTube would tell like hundreds of people, like, hey, people who enjoy looking at code, check out this channel. It's live right now. But no, I get one view for 6 minutes. Thanks, YouTube. decided to cook some eggs and bacon. So since nobody's watching, I might as well just cook some eggs and bacon. All right. I'm gonna eat for a little bit. Yeah, I'm gonna eat. I'm gonna take a little break while I'm streaming. Imagine that. Look how easy it is for me to just click a button and now I'm away. And I can even mute myself. All right, I'm finally back. It was like a 40 minute break. I was basically, I cooked some eggs and bacon. Cooked eggs and bacon and watched a little anime while streaming live. Alright, so what are we doing? We've got collections, collection groups. Oh, I got a little congestion from all that spicy salsa I put on my scrambled eggs. Anyway, it's 10:30 p.m. I'm writing more code. What am I trying to do? Oh yeah, load a specific subject. Is there a way for me to do that? Let's find out. It would definitely be under services, domain services. Or maybe under subjects. Load subjects UI, I don't know. Navigate dropdown. Hold on. My ear was itching. We need, well, we need to figure out what this does. So it creates options. Okay. Uh-oh. So we won't be able to actually load it the way we want, because this little part of the UI is yeah. It's complicated. Let me think. Let's just not build this right now, because it's a really complicated feature to add, where when I click on a collection it updates this subject field here. It's just too complicated for me, just too much. What I could do though is just load the drop down itself, right? So navigate drop down. So let's just see here. So if we get, hold on, if we go to our collections and we select the collection, which will give us custom results, then we should update the search. Yeah, update subject IDs. So the first thing we'll do is if subject ID is not null and subject ID is greater than 0, then we're gonna do some stuff. Collector subjects slash navigate dropdown and our data will be subject ID, which is subject ID, and parent is true. What's going to happen with my response here? Well, I'm going to set subject ID, which is subject ID dot HTML equals response. Let's see what happens when I do that. That's a good workaround, I think. All right, so let's create a collection where we're searching for a subject, right? So we're searching for Nintendo. Search. Okay. Questions. Hold on. Let me look at my SQL query here for getting a list of domains. Subject IDs. Subjects. Do we not use subjects anywhere? We don't use subjects. All right. Then how about this? Where do we even have subject IDs for? And there it is. We don't have subject IDs for domains yet, so we have subject IDs for articles that belong to domains. Subject ID. Let's see. Subject IDs? Yeah, we don't need subject IDs. It's like a feature that I've never wanted to use, so we're just going to ignore subject IDs for now until a later date. So let's look here. All right, domain collections. Yep, okay. Yep. So here's our proof. We have a bunch of domains. We click on collections. What? Hold on. There we go. We choose artificial intelligence and boom, now we have AI search results. Domain collections. Anything else? Let's see. What else can we search for? How about mail? Science. Oh, neuroscience. Neuroscience. There we go. Here's our 2 free science websites. And then we got a bunch of... Do we have paywall? Oh, we need to add domain type. And it's not... Hold on. Is it the same type? Type. Yeah, it's... Okay, so there's a different type. There's a different domain type. Let me show it to you. Let's go to our domains table here. And you'll see type here is way different than type here. This type is just a filter used to to filter out domains based on different parameters that the domain has. Like if it has a whitelist record, or if it has a blacklist record, or if it's just not listed, where there would be no whitelist or no blacklist, so it's just not listed. Paywall means that the paywall bit is checked, and then the free bit is checked for free type. Unprocessed means that it's not free, it's not paywall, and the domain type is -1, and there's no blacklist and there's no whitelist. So unprocessed is like a purely untouched domain. So the type specified here for getting our search results of domains is totally different than the type stored in the domain table for domain type, right? So domain type could be a website, e-commerce, wiki, blog, science journal, SaaS, social network, advertiser, search engine, or portfolio, and the list goes on. So this type we need to be able to filter by. We need a little drop down here. We need to just get rid of subjects and replace it with type, but we can't, so I'm just gonna add type here in between subjects and search type or filter type. But I'm gonna do that on a later date. I've been streaming long enough. It's been over 3.5 hours, so I'm gonna call it. Alright, peace out, guys.